Hello everybody. Happy first day of Module 1. Remember that Module 1 is now open and your first written assignment is due by Monday, September 7th. Right here you can see all of the due dates and the announcement that I posted this morning. So I know that some of you don't have your book in yet and you will need your book to complete the assignment. So I'm going to show you how to use the free trial version if you're still waiting on your book to arrive or you're still actually waiting to purchase it or whatever the issue might be. So go over to course content and you'll see the link here to the electronic textbook. So when you click this, if you have a pop-up blocker, you'll have to click this little button here. But you will come to your student dashboard if you already have a Pearson account. If you don't have a Pearson account yet, you'll come to a login screen where you'll need to take 2 minutes and make a Pearson account. So if you come to a screen that doesn't look like this, go ahead and make that account and then you'll get to the screen right away. So if you've bought your book and you have a code, you can redeem that here. If you haven't bought yet and you want to buy it through Pearson, that's what this button is for. But if you're looking for that 14-day trial because you've already purchased the book or you're still waiting for the book, this is where you're going to go. You're going to get your 14-day temporary access. And then all you're going to do is click Start. Do remember, though, that this module runs longer than 14 days. So whenever you start your access, you need to time it so that you finish your work before your 14-day trial ends. So please keep that in mind. I don't want you to lose access before you finish. So you can see here, if you start it today, which is August 26th, it will end September 9th. So I know I'm a procrastinator and I would probably wait until the 14th to finish everything. So maybe I would want to wait a little later to start my access. But however you work, make sure that you time it so that you'll have access to it in the time frame you need to get done. All right, so when you decide, click Start Access, and then there you go. You don't have to put a credit card in or anything. It'll remind you how long you have. It'll prompt you every day to buy. And then you can just let it expire if your book happens to come. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Good luck. Thanks.